Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. So here 3 by x plus 10 minus 1 by x plus 4. So here I'll take LCM, that is x plus 10 into x plus 4. Now here in the denominator, here I have x plus 10. So here I'll multiply 3 with x plus 4. So 3 times x plus 4 minus 1 into, here in the denominator I have x plus 4. So I'll multiply here x plus 10. If I'll simplify further, 3x, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into 4, 12, minus 1 into x is minus 1x or x minus x, minus into plus minus 1 into 10, 10. In the denominator, if you want, you can leave it or you can multiply this. So x into x is x square. Here I'll do this one. X into x, then x into 4. X into 4 is 4x. In the same way, 10 into x, 10 into 4. So plus 10x, 10 into 4, 40. So the next step is 3x minus x is 2x. 12 minus 10 is 2 by x square plus 14x plus 40. In the numerator you can take 2 common. So 2 if I'll take common, 2 into x plus 1 by x square plus 14x plus 40. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.